Hi, welcome back. For you, it's Wednesday. For me, it's Thursday. Thursday? Thursday. Don't worry about it. Wait, isn't that why it's called that day anyway? Don't worry about it. We're doing arts and crafts. Today we're going to 3D print, process, and paint the Thor helmet from Thor Ragnarok. I struggle with the TH. I've got a very lazy tongue, so I have to read Thor. Otherwise, it sounds like 4, which is a number. It's a nightmare. But yeah, I was able to get this file free of charge from Thingiverse. It's this one right here. Load that into a printer. It was quite a nice clean print. And I set to work smoothing it and painting it.
I wasn't as hot on the recording for stages as I usually am, so we're already at the point where I've sanded the original print raw, sprayed it with some body filler, and now I'm giving it a couple more coats of sanding with finer and finer grits of sandpaper before spraying it a gloss black and cracking out this Vallejo turquoise. That's a made-up word anyway. And started painting all the slightly off blue parts of the helmet as depicted in the movie. Just laying it on pretty thick. I haven't done the best job of sanding that I usually would. Likewise for the metallic, I probably would have used a good airbrush spray if I was making extra effort, but this time I've just used the Lead Belcher metallic paint from Games Workshop. Because trying to keep it on a budget here and just use what I've got in the house rather than spend too much, because it can be a really expensive hobby sometimes. But with that, I'm pretty much done. I forgot to film it, but I added some white stripes to the wings. And then all I need after that is some clear coat. And that'll just lock it in and give it a nice glossy look. It's a little bit more professional than just a raw paint. But yeah, this was a nice quick and easy one, and I think I'm ready to call it done.
And here she is. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. It's a little bit of a squeeze over my massive head, but then once it's on, it's quite comfortable. Apart from bending my ears. And then I've applied magnets to the inside. So, in theory, we come from a land of the ice and snow, from the midnight sun where the hearts spring. I don't have enough subs for this. Oh dear. If I had 1,000 subs, I would do funny little dances on TikTok or reaction videos where like it's just content, someone else's content, and I'm down in the corner like this going. But no, I've got to do actual arts and crafts, actual make an effort. Yeah. But yeah, I'm very happy with that. Thank you so much for watching. If you could please like and subscribe, help this little channel grow. Thank you so much. Until then, I will catch you on the next one, which is this time next week. Bye!